Good morning, everyone. It's Jessica. So I'm about halfway through my coffee here and I've showered. I'm gonna get ready. But I figured I'd just take you into a day in my life. It's a weekday. I'm gonna be working a bit. I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight. Tyler's here. So if you saw my day in the life with a newborn, that was the day that Tyler was out of town. So all eyes were on me because I was, watching Gigi and stuff. But actually today we are lucky because Tyler's mom, so Gigi's grandma, her Nana, is babysitting her. She comes over once a week to babysit her, and so does my dad on a different day. So that we can get work done, because we both work from home, and it's very difficult to both work because this is our sole income now. So anyway, so she's here to babysit Gigi at least for a few hours today, which is nice, so I can get some work done, take you guys through kind of what my day is like a work day, and then in the evening we'll do some other stuff. So I thought you might be interested in seeing a little bit of my everyday makeup drawer. This has evolved so much over the years, but if you watched my organizing my entire makeup collection video I did recently, I will link it up in the cards and down below if you want to see it. It was a long video, but I took you through like what my organizers are. I organized it with you guys and then showed you the aftermath for about 10 minutes. I just took you through my entire collection. And these are all products that I really, really like. So none of these are necessarily ones I'm needing to still test to decide if I like them. These are ones I know I like. So a lot of products you guys recommended. Some Charlotte Tilbury ones I'm loving. I'm working on a review video of that. You guys know I love my glow maker. A lot of you guys notice that it's starting to turn yellow, and that means I'm taking too long to use it. So I'm like down to here. I'm like, ugh. So I need to like use that up now. Anyway, but just like the SPF I'm using, this Jouer stuff I love. I'm trying to use up this IT Cosmetics CC Cream in Light because it's almost gone. And then this is my favorite spot because it's like all of the goodies I use. So got some mascaras I love. The Blush Balm from Flower, you guys know I love. This Charlotte Tilbury. I know I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm trying it out. Oh, I thought you might also be interested. This is Wander Beauty stuff I've been trying for the past month and a half. So I'm working on a review video very soon because I feel like I really know how all of these products perform for me and what I would recommend and what I wouldn't. So some of these I bought, some of them, let me rephrase. A lot of these were sent to me from Wander Beauty, but some of them I bought just out of curiosity before they ever sent me anything, honestly. So anywho, that video will be coming up, but I just thought you might be interested to see a little behind the scenes action. So this is pretty much my uniform. Leggings, these are these like Target slides I got on clearance, and this is from Target as well, just something comfy. I actually need to go try on a dress that I'm getting altered for one of my best friend's weddings, so I'm excited about that, and I'm just letting my hair air dry. Okay, so today's projects will be, I need to edit a video and upload it for sure. But first on the list is I need to actually leave and go try on a dress that needs to get altered just a bit more for one of my best friend's weddings. I'm out of breath from walking up the stairs.
Oh, hi. I have 3 clips left.
He's editing a Brussels sprouts video?
Brussels sprouts.
Oh my gosh. Your Brussels sprouts are amazing. I just bought more at the store in hopes that you will make them again.
These videos take forever though.
Do you want anything from Starbucks?
Always.
Can you guys hear the church bells? That's awesome. Anyway, so my dress is being altered some more because it needed to be hemmed. She was just taking it out, and ooh, alterations get expensive real fast, especially for like formal gowns. But it's worth it. So now I am headed to, I'm actually in Tyler's car. I'm gonna head to Starbucks, get stuff for me and Tyler and Tyler's mom. We're all getting such very different things. I'll show you. Sorry, radio jamming. Yes. First of all, I've never tried their sous vide egg bites, and these are bacon and Gruyere. Oh my goodness, they are way too good. But I got a pumpkin spice latte, super basic. I don't care, it is delicious. Tyler wanted the nitro cold brew because he was like, it's like a Guinness, but coffee. And then Benita wanted the new salted caramel frappuccino. Everything looks really good. It smells really good in my car right now. Okay, Tyler's car, fine. One thing I like to do when I have the time to have a work day, like a day that someone's watching Gigi, I'll make my to-do list. This is just my Erin Condren planner. So I don't necessarily use it every single day because, I mean, first of all, when you have a kid, it's so hard to have structured days every single day. So on a day like today, I'm gonna sit down and kind of make a to-do list with my coffee. So I know I'm not alone. I will typically add in something I've already gotten done because it feels so good to check it off. Obviously, make dinner tonight. Tyler and I trade off who makes dinner depending on the night. I'm trying to write this by looking in the camera. This is far too difficult to do. This candle is one of my favorites, and I've loved it for so long, like back when I used to live in Chicago, going to school up there. It's the vanilla and sandalwood from the Candlelight Company. I know CVS sells it, and I found it at Meijer, if you're in a state that has a Meijer. I love this scent. I just lit this one. I mean, like, this is a brand new one, but I love it. So sometimes I will either highlight or star what I find to be the most important to do today that's like non-negotiable. So like, for example, I must edit and get a video up today. So I can't focus when things are messy, and right now I've got too much clutter in this room, so I'm gonna clean it up really quickly and then I'm gonna get to work. Much better. So we are clean. I needed to leave out my Michigan books so that I could use those to finish planning. And actually this goes back here where I was using this to hold my phone. And then I just moved the PR packages over there to unbox later. And then this is stuff that has to stay here. It's my filming equipment and then stuff I'm trying out. Much better. So now I sit and I edit. I'm working on a FabFitFun for fall video. I've actually filmed a while ago, but that face. That face. Pinocchio, do you want to come join me and work with me? I always laugh because I've been learning Final Cut Pro for a while, and the video is done, and I've learned so much. Like, you can just do so much more with this than I could with iMovie. So like, I'm very proud when I see how sloppy the timeline looks, because I'm like, yeah, I've got all kinds of things on that screen. If you're ever curious, this is usually when I watch YouTube videos, when I'm getting ready, and then also when I'm editing a thumbnail. I use PicMonkey, which is a free website. I do pay, there's like a yearly fee. You can pay like $30 and you can get a lot more features and font, like cuter fonts and stuff. But I'm watching Shades of Cassie. I'll link her channel below because I love her and I met her once and she was very, very kind. And I've watched her channel for years and years. So, hey, look at this monkey that's awake. Hi, monkey. She's already getting her first tooth coming in, so she's been fussy today. So I'm about to make dinner, and I'm actually working with HelloFresh for this video. This is the second video I've done that has been sponsored by them. And tonight I'm gonna be making the creamy dill chicken. So what I love about HelloFresh is they always send these recipe cards over. Everything you need is in this bag, and it comes in a refrigerated box. So I've got the chicken I've already got out, and then all of the other ingredients are in here. I love it because when I have a day like today where I've just been working all day, and then, you know, I don't have a lot of time now to cook dinner, but I still want it to be a good dinner and healthy with natural ingredients. This is like the answer to my prayers because it's got the recipe right there on it. It has even the nutrition facts. They've sent me everything I need. And like, think about this. This is fresh dill, which is unbelievably delicious if you've ever cooked with fresh dill. It totally transforms recipes, but I don't necessarily want to buy fresh dill at the store because I'm probably gonna use it in one recipe and then it'll go bad before I ever use it again. So that's one really nice thing. They send you over everything you need. I'm gonna use it up and then that's that. I don't have to worry about it going bad because I have the amount that I need of everything. And bonus, pretty much all of the recipes I've ever made from them take about 30 minutes or less. So, and some of them are one-pot meals too. Now most of the meals I've made with HelloFresh are 30 minutes or less to cook them, which is about exactly as much time as I have, so it's really ideal. So for me, like, because I don't have a lot of time to cook most nights before she is, you know, fussy or whatever, I feel like this helps solve that time crunch of a problem I usually have at dinner, because when I'm in a time crunch, usually I'm like, well, then I'll just go make some kind of frozen meal. Well, those aren't gonna be very healthy for me and my family, but also it kind of just takes the guesswork out of what we're gonna have for dinner tonight because I know that it's ready to go, pre-measured, and easy to make. And I chose the classic box. You can pause your deliveries like if you're going on vacation. You can schedule what date you want to receive it so you'll be sure that you'll have it. And then when you get home maybe from work that day, you can get it all in the fridge. I ordered the classic. They also have the veggie and they have a family one if you've got more people to feed. They gave me a code to give you guys, which is $60 off. That's $20 off of your first 3 boxes, kind of separated that way. All you have to do is visit HelloFresh.com and enter the code Jessica Braun 60. We've got a grumpy little girl right
So you
now.
can't be upset now. We're filming.
Look at her. Look at her little mean
We're
face.
a big happy family.
Everybody smile. So we're about to eat, and we are watching this show. We watch it on Hulu, right? Mm-hmm. But it's called Nathan for You, and it's in its fourth. Well, 4 seasons are done. I don't know if they're filming a fifth right now. I hope so too. We've told everyone we know about it. It is the funniest, most underrated show, and people that have already heard of it. Why aren't you telling everyone? Like, what's going on?
Show on television.
Easily.
I mean that. It is hilarious.
You just have to see it. I can't explain it. It's unlike anything. It's unlike anything I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
He's a comedic genius.
He is.
It's
So
unbelievable.
you'd be surprised. Check it out. So it's on Comedy Central, but like I said, we're watching it on Hulu. But it is amazing. So that's what we're going to be watching tonight. Okay. We are on a walk. We usually go in the evening. This is a little later than usual.
Well,
But
and the sun keeps setting earlier and earlier.
well, that's
like
one
it's
thing.
winter or
And
something.
you were on hold for work for a while, like an hour and a
and
half.
22 minutes.
You never even got through.
No, I ended up hanging up.
Yeah. So anyway, the whole evening was pushed back, including dinner for that reason. But so we're on kind of a quick evening walk before the sun sets. Pinocchio's happy. Gigi's happy.
She loves it. She loves, as long as she can see out, like see what's going on, happy as a clam. She'll be
She
in this
really is.
happy girl.
Happy girl. Ugh.
Oh,
Just
burping girl.
burped. Okay. I'm in PJs. I'm all cozy.
Also, what shirt are you wearing?
Disney Cruise Line shirt. I
It's
needed
so
this
good.
shirt
Here,
on the
let me
cruise.
show you the back
Yeah.
of it. Here. I don't know. Okay, now I'm not looking at it. I'm assuming you can see it says Disney Cruise Line. It's good. It's good stuff. I feel like my dad would have, like in the 70s, but like it's
But
like...
they're so cool now, and they're
it's like super trendy
so cozy. Yeah. So I'm putting on some tea water. And Tyler, what kind of tea do you want? Like sleepy time?
now. Yeah. It is, it is 8:30.
It's 8:30. Gigi is asleep. When we got back from the walk, she was like,
It is nighttime.
it is nighttime. So she is asleep probably for the night. Okay, well, other than the one time she wakes up in the middle of the night. Although it's been
Sometimes
2 times lately because she is teething. Anyway, our tea drawer is embarrassing. You guys want to see it? Oh my gosh. Okay, what started, this is all tea back there. And like some coffee and like random things. But then we were like, oh, we'll put snacks. But now it's all mixed in. I need to clean this out. It is actually embarrassing. It really is. So anyway. Oh, and then there's actually the rest of our tea. So the idea in theory is great. And it's cool that it's in a drawer. I think that's fun. But so I think I'm going to have, you were going to have, the Bigelow Sweet Dreams.
Yeah. Do
I might-
Sweet Dreams, J-Lo.
Okay, that was funny. Oh my gosh, Tyler, I forgot we had this David's Tea, the Organic Serenity Now.
Yeah, I do like the David's teas.
But this is a nighttime one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh. Why
There's
is it
no
all-
caffeine. I know I was the one that bought it at the mall.
Oh.
And then I forgot we even owned it. Do you want this instead? Do you want to try it?
Duh.
Oh my gosh.
Well, here, let me
I'm
show you
pumped.
this. And we have, okay. So, speaking of David's teas,
Oh, this
my
is your
favorite tea in the world is Twining's Earl Grey. I could drink it all day, every day. But this, David's teas, it's cream of Earl Grey. Oh my gosh. It's freaking delicious. You guys have got to try
It
this.
is actually pretty good. I will agree with
It's so good. Anyway,
that. Anywho.
that's all.
Okay, so we are putting the house to bed, literally. That's what we call pulling all of our blinds down and curtains. And we're gonna go to bed. It's like 9 something, and frankly, we're both tired. Gigi didn't sleep very well last night, so we are gonna head to bed. But I hope you enjoyed this kind of peek into a normal work day for me right now. If you didn't know this about me, I am typically a teacher, but I decided to take this year off to kind of watch Gigi grow in this first year, and my district is nice enough to let me take the year off, and then I can go back to my same position the next year if I'd like to. So it's been an interesting time so far as the school year started a month-ish ago, kind of seeing all my teacher friends posting about teaching, and I'm like, I miss it, but at the same time, it really is nice to be home with Gigi, and then, of course, I also still do need to work, so having a day or two a week where we have family that can watch her so that we can actually get some work done, too. So it's a nice balance, I think, and we've, speaking of balance, we're just trying to find that balance. So I hope you enjoyed this kind of behind-the-scenes peek into a work day for me. And other than that, I hope that you'll subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.